Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Servercat app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Servercat is a server and SSH monitoring app designed for system administrators and developers. It allows users to remotely connect to Linux servers via SSH, monitor system metrics in real time, and receive alerts for server issues. You can view CPU, memory, disk usage, running processes, and even execute terminal commands directly from your phone. The app supports multiple server management and offers secure password and key-based login options. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Servercat is lightweight, has a clean UI, and performs reliably for most users. The quick setup, biometric authentication support, and customizable widgets make it a handy tool for on-the-go server monitoring. Users especially like the real-time dashboard and the ability to handle routine server tasks without needing a PC. However, it's not without flaws. Some users report occasional connection drops, especially with unstable networks. The app is iOS only for now, which limits access for Android users. Also, advanced features like multiple server grouping and automation are limited or still in development. While it's excellent for monitoring and basic control, it might not fully replace a full desktop SSH client for complex tasks. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Servercat is a great utility for those managing Linux servers, offering fast access, real-time monitoring, and basic SSH command execution from your phone. It's especially useful for DevOps and sysadmins who need quick updates on the go. But if you're looking for deep administrative features or Android support, you might want to keep looking. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.